Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the server and your workstation. Enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager because Looker Studio needs a network endpoint. Then install the correct OD or JDBC driver for your SQL Server version and operating system so Looker Studio can speak to it. Open port 1433 or the instance port on your firewall and write down the server IP, instance name, and a SQL user with appropriate read privileges. Once done, test connectivity with SQL CMD or a simple OD test. You now move into Looker Studio and configure the connector. Start by selecting the SQL Server connector, then enter the server host and port plus the database name. Use the SQL username and password you prepared. Decide on authentication and whether to require SSL. Make sure certificates are valid if you enable encryption. Next, choose whether to point to a table or supply a custom query. Custom queries let you limit columns and rows to improve performance. Finally, set a sensible connection timeout and test the connector. You finish by authorizing Looker Studio to access the data and creating a first report tile to validate results. Decide between live queries for up-to-date data or scheduled extracts to reduce load. Set refresh frequency accordingly. If results are wrong or the connection fails, check SQL Server error logs, Looker Studio error messages, and network/firewall rules. Also confirm the driver version matches the server, and verify the SQL account has select permissions. One key tip: enable verbose logging temporarily to capture failed handshakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.